My bad, y'all. But today I wanted to talk about something that affects millions of people worldwide, yet often goes unnoticed: allergies. And I know we all know someone who has allergies, whether it's a friend or a family member or even ourselves. But what exactly is an allergy and how do we develop them? Well, an allergy can best be defined as a damaging immune response by the body to a substance. And it can occur in many different forms, such as eczema, which is whenever we have a skin irritation, such as hives or a rash, and it occurs whenever we experience something that happens outdoors or in our environment. Another prominent allergen is hay fever, and it occurs mainly in the wintertime and sometimes the spring. But it's whenever we have cold symptoms such as sneezing or a running nose, or even our eyes begin to water. Another allergy is asthma, and that's actually something that I have myself. As whenever the lungs begin to close down, maybe because of outdoor exercise or maybe the things that you might have smelt, and our asthma begins to flare up and we have abnormal breathing. And usually we need medication or other remedies in order for us to fix it. Another allergy is food allergies. And I know a lot of people myself that have this sort of allergy. And it can occur in many different things, such as peanuts, gluten, or even water, which is really unusual, but also really cool. And another allergy is anaphylaxis. And if you have this, you definitely need medical help. So you probably shouldn't be watching this video right now. But, anyways, now that we talked about what an allergy is, we must discuss how we develop them. And we can develop allergies in two different ways, both genetically or in our environment. Genetically, as always, we get it through our parents. So maybe our stepmom, our stepdad, brother, sister, great parents, and we get these allergies from them because they had the allergies as well. And then it just keeps going through our bloodline. So that's basically genetics simplified. But the most prominent way we get allergies is actually our environment. So a lot of different people in a lot of different areas have kind of the same allergies, if you want to put it like that, because of the way that they grew up or the things that they were exposed to, such as maybe like the heat or the different types of food, or even just the environment itself can influence a lot of the allergies people have. That's why whenever people go to a new environment and they drink water or something or eat something from that environment, they can become sick because of the unusual taste or smell or just different chemicals and stuff that are in the environment. And it's crucial to know allergies because it affects our everyday life. And avoiding known allergies is something that we should know and a strategy that we must have as individuals. And this might mean just reading food labels carefully. So whenever you go to Walmart or Kroger or whatever store that you go to, you should always check the food labels of whatever you're eating so that you know that you're not exposed to the thing that you're allergic to. And then also just take medications if you need it and not go outside whenever it's very pollinated. So probably the springtime and sometimes even the winter as well. And something cool to note is that research is actually advancing as we speak, and new methods such as immunotherapy is actually being made, which kind of helps. Uh, how do I say this? It kind of helps to regulate our allergic reactions so that we don't get exposed to it, one, and we also cannot be as affected by it. But just knowing about allergies and allergic reactions can help not only us, but also our friends, our family, and just people that we know in our everyday lives. So yeah, that's allergy, y'all. And yeah, goodbye.